Hello dear student, very good morning. How are you? Dear student, today I am going to start badminton and present in front of you with a new sport, badminton. So we will talk about the badminton today. So first of all, we have to start the history of badminton, because you know that many times you play badminton but you don't know proper uh, history of the badminton. You don't know the many things like measurement of the court and height of the net, many things left out. So today we will talk about the badminton. So dear student, the history of the badminton. The game of the badminton was started in England, but it flourished in India. This game was famous in Pune. So people used to call its name as Pune. Rules of the game were formed in Pune in 1870. The International Badminton Federation was formed in 1934. India became its member in 1938, and badminton was included in Asian Game in 1962. So this is the little history of the badminton. Now you have to read about the main tips at a glance badmintons. So first of all, size of the court for double. So size of the court of double in feet, 44 feet into 20 feet, and size of the court for singles, 44 feet and 17 feet. Width of the net, 2 feet 6 inches. Height of the net from center, 5 feet. Height of the net from poles, 5 feet 1 inch. Weight of the shuttle, 4.73 to 5.50 gram. And the number of the feathers in shuttle, 14 to 16 feather maybe. And length of the feathers, 2 half to 2.75 inches. And length of the racket, 27 inches. Weight of the racket, 85 to 140 gram. And length of the frame, 11 inches. Width of the frame, 9 inches. So this is a frame measurement. And point in singles and doubles, men and women, for both 21 points. And next, side galleries, each side 1 feet 6 inches, back gallery 2 feet 6 inches, and number of maximum set can be 3 sets. So these are main tips at glance. uh, so I think that you have understood about these all glance. So according to that, you can understand the many things about the court size, width of the net, height from the center and from the pole, weight of the shuttle, number of the feathers in shuttle, length of the feathers, length of the racket, weight of the racket, length of the frame, width of the frame, point of the singles and doubles, side galleries, back galleries, and number of maximum sets. So these are all things you have. This is the badminton court. So you can watch here double side line and single side line. Between both side line you can check here, everything is given here, so you can take the. So dear student, you are watching the badminton court. So when you can also draw that like this badminton court at your home. So now we are going to start that general rules of the court. So general rules of the court, already I have told the size of the court. Like that, the badminton court is a rectangular in the shapes as given in the figure for the singles and double games. It is a length and breadth is 44 feet and 20 feet respectively. It is a marked with the white or yellow lines, 40 wide. The width of all the lines is included in measurements. So posts. So there will be the two posts. Whole height should be the 1.55 meter above in the floor, on the above the floor. Net. The color of the net should be dark and its mass should be 15 to 20 mm. The net should be 5 feet high from the center. The width of the net should be 760 mm. So toss, before the beginning of the game there will be a toss. The winner of the toss decide to choose an end of the court or to be served first. If he choose the court, the opponent play will do the first serve. So you know that the in maximum game be making toss like this only. So scoring, in case of the both doubles and singles games for men as well as women, each game consists of 21 points. Of the best three games, the winner of the two is declared victorious if the score is the tied at 20. Whosoever score two consecutive point first win the games. If the score become the 29, all the players who score 30 point will be win on the game. Will the game match? A match consists of the best of the three games. So now fundamental skills of the badminton. So first of all, grip of the racket and stance, footwork, footwork on ground, pivot, forehand return, backward return, service, short service, long service, receiving service, stroke, forehand stroke, backhand stroke, overhead stroke, net stroke. So the brief explanation of the some fundamentals I am explaining here. The first of all, strokes. There are two types of stroke in badminton. There are forehand stroke and backhand stroke. So forehand stroke is such as the stroke that is a played for the returning a shuttle from the right side of the body of the player. And backhand stroke is such a stroke that is applied to return a shuttle coming towards the left side of the body of the player. And a drop shot is a very gentle stroke in which the shuttle is struck with the forehead, backhand, or round the head action to direct it towards the top or net, so that after the crossing the net, if falls the opponent scores very close to the net. And drive, it is a flat stroke in which the shuttle is sent over the net, just clearing it and parallel to the floor. In this process, it should not be sent high toward the opponent. Shuttlecock grip. While serving, the shuttlecock may be held or gripped in three ways. Base grip. In this the grip, the shuttlecock is held with the thumb and the two fingers at the base of the shuttle. And mid grip. In this the type of the grip, the shuttle is held with the thumb and the fingers around the shuttle at the shaft of the feather and the cork. Out of the hand grip, in this the grip, the shuttle is held with the tips of the thumb and index finger. So grip of the racket. In badminton, generally the following the type of the grips are used to the hold the racket. Forehand grip. For the forehand grip, hold the racket by the shaft and left hand with the face of the racket perpendicular to the floor. Shake hand with the grip. Slide your hand down so the fatty and part the rest comfortably engage the butt and the handle. There will be V shape of your thumbs and index finger. Grip the handle lightly with the fingers. Speed slightly your thumb wraps around the handle on the left side. Your grip should be relaxed when you are not stroking the shuttle. Tighten your grip when you are ready to stroke the shuttle. So backhand grip. For the backhand grip, turn the top edge of the racket from over the slightly right to the right and put the thumb along the parallel to the wide side of the handle. The grip allow to longer reach, moreover the better accuracy. So Block, generally block is used for the defensive stroke in the response to the opponent smash. It is used to the case of an emergency situation. Footwork, your footwork can bring more success to your game if you learn the basis, the moving on the court and the practice them. Your ready positions should be including standing the center of the court. If you are playing the singles and bending your knees with your body relax and waiting for play, move your feet by the suppling them and gliding from left to right and stepping or lugging forward to move the backward. Go fast enough so that you are get behind the shuttle to hit the hard enough. And forehand smash, first of all adopt the forehand grip, then turn your body and stand sideways to the net with your non-racket shoulders facing the net. Shift your weight to on your rear foot, then bend your elbow and lock your wrist preparing to swing the forward. After that raise your non-racket hand and point the shuttle to improve the timing and balance. So these few things I have told you about the fundamental skills of badminton. Now few terminology. So terminology, bird, it is another name of the shuttlecock. Terminology, that word which is using in the same game, that is called the terminology. So terminology few word that these all the scientific word used in the different games. So the terminology is will be the different with a few common terminology, maybe the any sports. So court, it is the play area, already you know. The let the stopping the play, let the stopping of the playing on outside interface the call the let. And toss or lob, it is a stroke that sent to the shuttle high and deep down of the baseline of the opponent. Smash, it is a stroke beneath the shuttle sent down, but the speed is to finish a rally. So rally and exchange the shot during the match called the rally. Love, the system use the indicate the zero in scoring. Server, the play who put the shuttle into the play is called server. Net stroke, these are the stroke which are executed to return the shuttle falling close to net. Side out, when a pair has finished their right to serve side out as called and shuttle is given to the opponent's son. Innings, it is the time during the which a pair holds service. Match point, the match point is the one by the server makes him the winner of the match. Rotation, rotates the system the play double games in which the players keep the changing the position during the play. So these are a few terminology I have explained here. So important tournament: Thomas Cup, Uber Cup, Wills World Cup, European Cup, Konica Cup, Unex Cup, Olympic Challenge Cup, 555 World Cup, China Cup. So these are the few cup and famous personality and Arjun Award winners of the Pulela Gopichand, Saina Nehwal, Jwala Ghatta you are watching in figure, PV Sindhu, Kidambi Srikanth, this is a Malabar, Prakash Padukone. So these are the few Arjun Award winners. So dear student, today I have explained something about the badminton. I think that you have enjoyed, and you can play, you can try at your home, you can play the badminton at your home. These are single and double games, so you can play with your brother and sister at home. Okay, thank you, bye bye.